For 2025, Ford completely redesigned the Expedition. This is the full-size, family-friendly SUV designed for luxury driving, boat towing, trailer towing, and off-roading. We are driving the Platinum Max Edition. So Platinum, top of the line, everything. Max meaning it has the larger cargo area to carry more things. Our version also has Pro Trailer Assist, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let's do the trailer guidance. Tell me what these systems are that we're going to look at.
Absolutely. So we have an all-new feature called the Pro Trailer Hitch Assist. We've actually talked to our customers, and when you look at the trailer tow journey cycle, we find that one of the big stress points for customers is lining up their vehicle with the trailer. And so we put a lot of thought into simplifying this for the customer and taking the stress out of the process.
So we have our Pro Trailer dial here.
Right.
What other functions do we need to know about before we jump in?
Absolutely. Let me give you a quick overview of the feature. What it is as soon as you turn on your Pro Trailer Hitch Assist mode, it turns on the rear camera and starts looking for the hitch on your trailer. And then all you do is you press this button, and it will, the vehicle will steer, brake, and back up the vehicle so that it lines up exactly with your trailer hitch. So that's the demonstration we're going to go through today together. Now you could imagine that your customer has the vehicle parked, their trailer's back there, they want to hook it up, all right? So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to put the vehicle back in park. We're going to make sure that we're picking the right trailer that we're hooking up. So we're going to, first thing what we do is we set up the trailer and we put in the information on the trailer. So when you go into the trailer measurements, you put in the length, the width, the height, and the trailer weight, approximate trailer weight. Right?
7,000 pounds.
So, yep.
Okay.
So
okay.
And now what we're going to do is, so we've activated that trailer, and we're going to hit this button right here, the Pro Trailer. It's just this button.
So now it's on. Oh, and look, there's the trailer right there behind us.
Your rear camera is turned on, and now it's saying, okay, it's initializing the Pro Trailer Hitch Assist. So the camera is starting to look for the receiver on the trailer.
So you can see it right there.
Exactly. And now it's going to say move the vehicle so that the coupler is inside the target. So what we're going to do is slowly back up the vehicle.
Okay.
And what's going to happen is you'll see that this ring starts looking for that trailer hitch. And when it finds it, it's going to turn green and lock it in.
So I need to put this in reverse.
Reverse, yep.
Okay. Foot on the brake.
Yep, foot on the brake.
Okay. And so then I'm just going to ease off.
Yep, slowly reverse, like you would, till it starts finding.
So I am using the accelerator to reverse. You can see my trailer hitch here. And then this is the trailer I'm trying to connect with. And I am not using my side mirrors or looking behind the car, which is a little weird. How long did it take you to learn? Oh, wait, so I should stop now.
So keep going. You can keep going just so it centers it in a little more. So it'll tell you when it's
to indicate the correct trailer.
Right there. Now, perfect. So we're inside that ball. You could hit now it says to continue with this trailer, shift to neutral. So it's saying, okay,
so
I've identified this trailer. Is this what you want? Yep.
So now I'm going to put it in neutral.
Yep. And now it says, now you can take your foot off the brake, and all you do is you hold down this button.
So I'm just going to hold this down.
And it's going to brake and steer for you to line it up.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Woo! And it's going to brake?
Yeah. So
even if I don't take...
Keep going. Now, the reason it stopped here is it's saying, okay, please get out and check that the trailer hitch is, the receiver is at a height higher than the ball on the vehicle hitch.
So this is what it needs to look like?
Yeah.
If it looks like that? Or,
correct.
Yeah. And we can see that there's the trailer, and here's our ball hitch, and it is underneath. So it looks like it will go perfectly aligned. I'm going to say it's appropriate.
Yep.
And stop if the vehicle trailer passes the red line. Okay. So I'm going to put it back into neutral?
Yeah. And then you're going to hold back down that button.
And I'm going to hold this button
And you can
down.
take your foot off the brake and now it'll now take it.
Okay, and this is making me nervous.
It'll do it.
Oh, geez, look at that.
That's it. Now it says,
and that's it.
You're done. And what's cool is it automatically turns on your parking brake so that the vehicle doesn't roll forward or
look at that.
reverse, so that you don't misalign the trailer and the hitch.
Did it do it?
The verdict is?
The verdict is yes. Look at that. Now, so then what happens?
So now, at this point, we have a couple choices, right? Depending on the weight of the trailer. If it's over 7,000 pounds, we need to use load leveling bars. But if it's 7,000 pounds or under, with the design of our weight carry hitch, we can essentially just hook up and go.
Tom, show us what this is going to look like.
All things trailer.
Ah, look at that. Okay.
And
And then we gotta put on,
cross the chains.
And that's it.
Yeah, there.
Okay, and that's the trailer brake controller right there.
Yep.
And this
Okay.
just locks in the coupler.
And that locks in the coupler. I feel the weight just sitting in the car.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
All right.
It is big. Okay.
So now we're going to go to aids.
Uh-huh.
And, we go through the trailer light check. It's right
Okay.
here. So we're going to press this. And
Right.
we're going to tell it start. And when we hit start, we're going to go back out. It'll go through the entire loop 5 times. So we can visually see and confirm that all of our lights are working and we're compliant with the law.
Then I can see all the lights are on. I can see the light underneath the trailer. I can see the lights on the side. I can see the brake lights and the turn signals. It's kind of hard to see in the light, but that's fantastic.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kartik. Thanks, Tom. This was really fantastic. And now I know what I really don't know. Thank
We'll learn
you.
every day. Thank you.
Thank you.